Hi viewers, welcome to KK History. So today in this video we are going to see about the top 10 largest rail networks in the world. Before we dive into our content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified of our latest videos. Let's dive in. Friends, the 10th largest rail network in the world is France. Its length is about 29,273 kilometers long, in which 15,687 kilometers is electrified, which is about 53.59%. It is a nationalized mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2017. Friends, the 9th largest rail network in the world is Brazil. Its length is about 29,817 kilometers long, in which 9,025 kilometers is electrified, which is about 30.27%. It is both nationalized and private mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2014. Friends, the 8th largest rail network in the world is Australia. Its length is about 33,168 kilometers, in which 33,393 kilometers is electrified, which is about 10.23%. It is both nationalized and private mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2017. Friends, the 7th largest rail network in the world is Argentina. Its length is about 36,966 kilometers, in which 190 kilometers is electrified, which is about 0.51%. It is a nationalized mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2014. Friends, the 6th largest rail network in the world is Germany. Its length is about 40,625 kilometers long, in which 22,500 kilometers is electrified, which is about 53.38%. It is both nationalized and private mode of transport. The data collected was in the year 2017. Friends, the 5th largest rail network in the world is Canada. Its length is about 64,000 kilometers, in which 129 kilometers is electrified, which is about 0.20%. It's a private mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2017. Friends, the 4th largest rail network in the world is India. Its length is about 67,956 kilometers long, in which 45,801 kilometers is electrified, which is about 71%. It is both nationalized and private mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2021. Friends, the 3rd largest rail network in the world is Russia. Its length is about 85,800 kilometers, and in which 43,800 kilometers is electrified, which is about 51.17%. It is nationalized mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2019. Friends, the 2nd largest rail network in the world is China. Its length is about 1,46,300 kilometers long, in which 1 lakh kilometers is electrified, which is about 68.35%. It is both nationalized and private mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2020. Friends, the largest rail network in the world is USA, aka United States of America. Its length is about 1,49,407 kilometers, in which 2,025 kilometers is electrified, which is about 1.36%. It is both nationalized and private mode of transport, and the data collected was in the year 2017. Friends, hope you learned about the largest rail networks in the world. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button so that I get motivated to upload same kind of facts videos. Until then, Kavin and KK History signing off. Bye. Friends, I have to share one thing which happened now. This is reality. The video is shot on 26th September. The time is just 9:30. I finished the video shoot. I didn't see the match, the CSK versus KKR match. So I went down to see match. What a spectacular batting from CSK. Jadeja was superb, but he got LBW of the last over. But it was a nail-biting match. Really interesting. And I was a CSK supporter, so I enjoyed the match. CSK versus KKR matches are always special. In 2018, in Chepauk, that was the only match which was played in Chepauk in 2018. That match was also a nail-biter, but this match was thriller, guys. You have to watch the highlights, but you won't get the feel of the match and the scenario if you watch the highlights, because you probably may know that who is going to win. That's why sports video I went down to get the data cable so that I could transfer all the video files to my laptop, but I didn't get even data cable with me. I just came to say the news to you. It was a nail beating match. The people who have the habit of eating their nails, I think they are not they are not left with any of their nails in their fingers. Thank you.